The launch of Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 is getting closer and closer, and a new sighting on the Geekbench benchmarking site only makes things more exciting. This early benchmark not only confirms features that were already thought to be true, but it also adds a few big surprises. The listing was found by Tipper Vats and shows that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is already running Android 16. This is a big change since Android 15 hasn't even been widely released across Samsung's current range. If everything goes as planned, the Z Fold 7 could be one of the first phones to come with Android 16 already installed, probably with Samsung's own One UI 8. Even though this seems very fast, rumors of early support for Android 16 have been going around for a while, and this benchmark supports those claims. 12 GB of RAM is one of the known hardware details. This is the same amount of RAM that was in last year's Z Fold 6. Some people were hoping for more memory, but this isn't a big surprise. Even the future Galaxy S25 Ultra will only have 12 GB, which suggests that Samsung thinks this amount is the best mix of power and battery life. A motherboard called a Sun, which is probably shorthand for the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, is another interesting thing in the list. This is Qualcomm's newest top-of-the-line chip, and it's a big improvement over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 that was used in the Fold 6. It makes the Fold 7 even more of a contender for one of the most powerful Android phones this year. These specs don't completely change the game, but they do match up with earlier leaks and support the idea that the Z Fold 7 will be a refined upgrade rather than a radical redesign. The focus seems to be on making the experience better, improving performance, providing cutting-edge software, and keeping the sleek foldable design that Samsung has worked so hard to achieve. As the Summer Unpacked show from Samsung gets closer, more information will definitely come out. But from what we know now, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 looks like it will be a confident step forward, not a radical new idea for folding phones but rather a perfected version of the current ones. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.